Contractors lose the most money after the job is already finished. Not because the work was bad, but because the invoice was late, forgotten, or never followed up. Automating invoicing fixes that. By the end of this, you'll know how to set up automated invoicing so jobs turn into payments faster without extra admin work. Here's the short answer. Connect your job completion, invoice creation, and payment reminders into one workflow. Start with your invoicing software. If you're using Jobber, Housecall Pro, ServiceTitan, or FieldPulse, the system can generate invoices directly from completed jobs. That removes manual typing. The goal is simple. Once a technician marks a job complete, the invoice should be ready. That's step 1. Next, build your service templates. Create fixed services like HVAC maintenance, plumbing repair, lawn treatment, or electrical inspection with preset prices and descriptions. This speeds up invoice creation because your team selects instead of typing. Less typing means fewer mistakes. Now, automate the trigger. Set your software to generate an invoice automatically when a job status changes to complete. Some systems call it job completed. Others call it closed. Same idea. The invoice gets created immediately. Then, automate delivery. Choose email, text, or both. Email works for records. Text usually gets opened faster. Send the invoice within minutes of finishing the job. That timing matters because the customer still remembers the visit. Next, automate reminders. Set reminder intervals like unpaid after 3 days, unpaid after 7 days, and unpaid after 14 days. This keeps the follow-up running without your office chasing people manually. If your software supports it, include a payment link directly in the reminder. That removes one extra step. Now connect online payments. Add card payments, or digital wallet options if available. The easier it is to pay, the faster you get paid. Always test this yourself first. Send a sample invoice and pay it to make sure the workflow works. Last step. Track what's late. Use the overdue invoice dashboard weekly. Automation sends the reminders, but you still need visibility. That's how you catch bigger unpaid balances early. Quick recap. Use service templates. Trigger invoices from completed jobs. Automate delivery and reminders. Add payment links inside every invoice. Your next step is simple. Automate one invoice workflow today and test it before rolling it out across every job. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. More contractor workflow guides are coming.